In this video, we will be factoring this polynomial. Notice that this is a trinomial, and I have fourth power, and then I have squared, and then I have a constant. This is called quadratic form. And when I see a trinomial like this, I'm thinking, let's try to factor it like a normal trinomial. Let's try to factor it the same way we would if it was 5x squared minus 26x, minus 26x plus 24. Let's do the same thing we would do with this, namely write it as a binomial times a binomial. The only difference is, since we have x to the fourth power, instead of writing x times x, we will write x squared times x squared. Now, looking at the 24 over here, there are several ways that you can get 24. That could either be, alright, let's start with 4 times 6, or it could be 3 times 8, or 2 times 12, or 1 times 24. Alright, so there's a lot of ways I can make 24. So I'm just going to start playing around with it. Let's start with 4 and 6. Now, inner plus outer has to equal the middle. Inner, I have 4x squared. Outer, I have 30x squared. I'm trying to get negative 26. Well, that's possible. If I make this a negative 30 and a positive 4, that will give me negative 26. But unfortunately, if I put a positive 4 here and a negative 6 for the negative 30, that does not give me positive 24. That would give me negative 24. If I did positive 4 times negative 6, that's negative 24. So that was close, but no good. So I'm going to erase and try again. Okay, before I give up on the 4 times 6, I will try 6 and 4 like this. Inner, I have 6x squared. Outer, I have 20. Aha, I think this is going to work. I can again make negative 26 if I let both of these be negative. So that means both of these would be negative. But this time, negative 6 times negative 4 makes positive 24. So that works out as well. So I have factored it, but I'm not finished. I have not factored it completely. I'm hoping that you can notice that x squared minus 4 can factor more, because this is the difference of two squares. So this will be x plus 2, x minus 2 if you factor this down. Alright, there's nothing else I can do with the 5x squared minus 6, so I'm going to bring that down. So this is now factored completely. Let's see, 5x squared minus 6 minus 2 plus 2. So the answer is C.